National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bedford County, east central Botetourt County, southwestern Amherst County, the city of Lynchburg, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over peaks of Otter Summit, Oregon, 7 miles north of Bedford, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, Storm Spotter reported quarter-size hail. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lynchburg, Bedford, Amherst, Big Island, Forest, Coleman Falls, and Madison Heights.